everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the Happy Handbag. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So it's got this really nice decorative connectors here that go all the way around where there's purse feet. It's got a really cute teardrop type shape. The handles can be made in handbag handles or shoulder handles. This is a shoulder bag handles. It is closed with 2 magnetic snaps, and seriously, look how amazingly big this opens up. Nice and square. Decorative slip pocket, 2 slip pockets on one side and a decorative zipper pocket on the other. The sides fold in when snapping to give it its super unique shape. It is a very simple yet classy looking bag. It is great for accenting any fabric type print you may like, or even in a solid color. It would be beautiful. Anyways, if you like this one and you would like to order, you're one of my clients, you know what to do. All of my information is down below to order your custom bag. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.